Hey guys, Blaine from down at Global. Look what I got. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 with the Hemi in it. It's a local truck, one owner. We've got a ridiculous amount of service records in it. Truck is his baby. It's going to be on consignment. We're selling it for him. This is a unique one. The guy that we're selling it for is the kind of guy that brought it in, knew he was going to be selling it, and he just spent $6,000 going through the whole front end, steering box, a bunch of other stuff. I've got a ton of receipts. We've got great history with this pickup truck. I've got stuff going back quite a few years. In fact, in 2014, we put a brand new engine and transmission remanufactured by Jasper into it. I look back, we've got well over $20,000 in service history and receipts done to this thing. It's just fantastic. We put the 7-inch lift on it for him, the 37s. Just a fantastic truck. If you've got questions, shoot them over to me and I can get you copies of everything that we're looking at and set you up with a test drive.